Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is ring. Check me out on social media, that way you can get notification of all my new recipes. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Cajun seasoning. Now I have several cooks coming, we're getting into spring and I'm going to be doing a lot of seafood, a lot of fish recipes. So I'm going to be using this quite a bit, so I want you guys to know, that way when I do use it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. To start off with our ingredients, we're going to need 2.5 tablespoons of kosher salt, fine kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of coarse black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Now we're going to need 1 teaspoon of dried parsley and 1 teaspoon of dried bay leaves. Now I'm going to be fine crushing these in the pestle and mortar. And for the last ingredient, now this is really up to your scale. For my liking, I like 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you want it hotter, add a little bit more. If it's a little too hot for you, then kind of tone it down. Now, this is up to you. So I would probably start off with half a teaspoon, see how you like it, and if you want a little bit more kick, go ahead and add a teaspoon in. But this is really up to your preference. Now we're gonna add in the dried parsley and the dried bay leaves into the pestle mortar. If you have a spice grinder, you could do it like that also, but I'm gonna just go ahead and use this. Especially like the bay leaves are a little thick, so you kind of want this broken down, small enough so that way it can mix well, and then also it'll come out of the shaker. Now go ahead and add in your dried parsley and bay leaves back into the mix. Now we're just going to go ahead and give this a mix, and this is really easy to do, and you could play around with the flavors, but this is just my base Cajun seasoning that I like to make up. Making Cajun seasoning or any seasoning at home is really inexpensive, and you can make it to the flavors that you like. And like I was saying earlier about the cayenne pepper, you can add more or less. Now we're going to be taking an empty shaker bottle and using a funnel, we're just going to pour it right in. So this is a 7-ounce bottle, so that's probably about between 4 to 5 ounces of Cajun seasoning. But once it's all done, just give it a shake. So I have a couple videos coming that I'm going to be using this, so that way I just want you to know what this is that I'm going to be using on the food. So that'd be it.